going to Ikea. Nang, ready ka na?
Ready na pero walang pera.
Kayo maniwala, o daming pera yan. We're here.
Dito ako nagpakuha ng trato.
We're here! Been waiting for 7 years to go back to Ikea. Tutulak kita sa cart. Upo ka na. Oh my gosh. Dream kitchen. Oh my goodness. Oh, gusto ko yun. Gusto ko na ganito para kina Jacob. That's so cute. Ay, may maliit na version ng chair na ako. Pang bachelor's pad naman yan. So nice. Wait, paano ang sizing ng bed nyo? Paano ang size? Anong size yan? Ito yung mga bookshelf na gusto ko. Oh, this is what I wanted. A napkin holder. Here. Here's a black one. Pero nipis. Maybe something thicker. Like this one. Let's get from the bottom.
Sipo ko sa ako ilalagay.
Something like this. But I can't take it home. This kitchen. It's the bomb. Oh my gosh. I'd be cooking every day if I had this place. I wanna take everything home. Helen? Hindi. Iba yung sayo. Ayun na. Ayun yun lang. Ano sa gilid? Pangit yung hook na yan. Ayun yung sayo. This one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're gonna hear a lot of oh my gosh from me. I want this. That. Babe, I want a bed like this. When are we gonna have a bed frame again? Look inside. Ooh. This is the style that we had before, babe. This was our bed frame. Our first bed frame. Very nice, very nice. Oh. This one. Your walk-in. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's not like I have a lot of accessories, but that would be nice to have.
Ito magandang tambakan ng laro.
Oo, diba? Isang kakukatan na lang. Cute. My bag is full. Stacking cups. Paborito to ni Waki. Ayan, yung ganyan.
Ha? Abab.
I think I'm going a little cray here, buying everything. But to be fair, I allotted budget for this Ikea trip, so if I don't come home with new clothes, you know why. I had to get an extra bag because it was getting too full. I separated the items from the ones that I really need and from the ones that I just want to get. Babe, I want an outdoor patio like this where we can have friends over. Let's go check out and see how much damage all this stuff is gonna cause. So we're done. We're having our soft-serve ice cream from Ikea. Bakit kaya? Yun natin. These are everything that I bought. Let's check this one out. Why it turned on by itself.
Short circuit may cause burns. Then it's water.
May cause burns. I like the cute. Ang cute nightlight for Waki.
Charger before cleaning of the product.
So cute.
Paano nyo clean yan? Ay,
Good
yung
one.
labas.
Punasan lang siguro. It's so cute. Look, I put it over there. Nightlight. Oo nga. Paella. Nang, paella.
Pasok mo sa kwarto mo.
Ayun nga eh.
Ilang kilo kaya yan, Roxanne?
Diyos ko. Ewan ko. Kailangan.
Kiluhan, no?
Hindi, lalagyan mo.
Hindi. At least malalaman mo.
Ah. Oh my gosh. Hope you guys fit in here and cause no trouble. But I don't know, maybe we'll do an excess bag or an extra bag. I'm not sure which one is worth the money. If it's like overweight and then you add per kilo, or just get another bag and check that in. Let's see. Late lunch of paella. Paella. Ooh, it's hot. I don't really go out of the house when I'm home. Whoa. What was that? So, it's only when I go out of the country and that I get to enjoy fresh air and the sun. Because at home, it's like so polluted and it's not enjoyable. I think I'm gonna end the vlog for today here. I don't think we're going out anywhere else today anyway, so yeah. I'll do the Ikea haul on another video so that this one will be extra long. I take a short nap because I'm still a bit, it's not even jet lag, I mean only 3 hours ahead, but you know that feeling that, like you're still on the plane or on a boat, like you're still wobbly. So yeah, I'm gonna rest it out and then do the haul video, then edit. Okay, hope the boys are doing well at home. I'm sure they're fine or like taking a nap right now. It's like probably 1. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm in Sydney with my Ninang! Reunited!